Welcome back, everyone. On today's video, we're going to see how to change an alternator on a Honda J35A engine, which basically means it's 1998 all the way to 2012 V6 3.5 liter engine. This includes Honda Accord, this Odyssey, their Pilot, Ridgeline, and the Acura MDX, RDX, and even Saturn View. You know, they all had the same Dawn engine. Super solid 3.5 liter engine. As you can see, the alternator is down there. The best way to approach this one is to take the headlight off. That way we have clear access from the side right here to the alternator, right? I don't want to show step by step. It'll take way too long, but all I can say is, just take the clips off. Top clips off here, 1, 2, 3, 4 clips here, and then bottom clips off where the bumper cover comes off then. And then you'll have 2 screws on the top for the headlight and 2 screws on the bottom this way for the headlight. And the entire headlight comes off at that point. Once you get that out, it's super easy to access. If not, it's really pain to take it out totally. So as you can see, the alternator is just sitting there with 2 bolts. So you got the top bolt here, right? And the bottom bolt that is here. And I believe they are like 17 millimeter bolt on the bottom and 15 on the top. The top one also has a bracket that it's attached to, so you can take this or this off. This is to the engine block, so ideally just take this off. But anyway, first thing first, you need to take the belt off, loosen it. So you would use the tensioner here, pull it up, and then slip the belt out so you can take the alternator out. Once it's out, 2 bolts, that's it. And once you take out, you need to carefully remove this one wiring harness right here. As you can see, let me get a better angle. All right, so this wiring harness right here, there's a little tape in there, but this wire needs to be taken out. And you also have the top actual wire, power wire up here, that you take the boot off, and then there's a nut in there. You don't have to take that off there. You can take the alternator up and then take it off as well. So those 2 electrical connections, once they're out, these 2 bolts, once they're out, the alternator comes off and the new one goes in. As you can see, I already put the new one in. So that is how you would change the alternator on any of these J35A through F engines. It is to the bottom. Below that is your AC generally. So it's right in the middle, so you can do it from the top or from the bottom. But ideally, if you can take the headlight off in these bigger cars, whether it's the Odyssey or the Pilot or the MDX, easier this way. If it's the Accord, you got to wrestle it from the top, take all these off and do that. All right, that is how it works. 3.5 liter V6. Hope that helps. Hit that share or like button and subscribe as well. All right, I'll see you in the next video.